Continuing on with lesson 21, we are going to take a look at area of circles now. And the formula for area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So instead of finding the circumference, circumference is the distance around the circle. Area is how much it would take to cover the circle. So area is sort of like if you think about carpet or tile or painting a wall or something like that. So to find the area of a circle, we take pi, which is 3.14, and then we multiply that by the radius squared. So our first example says to find the area of a clock face that has a diameter of 10 inches, use 3.14 for pi. So we have a clock, and we know its diameter is 10. And we know the formula is pi r squared. We know that pi is 3.14. We don't know what the radius is yet because they gave us the diameter. So all the way across is 10, so we only need halfway, so halfway would be 5. So 3.14 times 5 squared. And that gives me 78.5. And these are inches. And area is in 2 dimensions, so we have to have inches squared for our answers. When we were doing perimeter, it was just 1 dimension, and we just had inches or feet or whatever it was. But with area, we have to have that squared at the end. All right, the next one says a wrestling mat used for high school competitions is made up of 2 circles. The wrestling circle has a diameter of 28 feet, and the inner circle has a diameter of 10 feet. Use 3.14 for pi and find the area of each circle. So the first circle, the whole mat, has a diameter of 28. So we are going to do pi times the radius squared, so 3.14. And if the diameter is 28, radius is half of that, so radius would be 14. So 3.14 times 14 squared is 615.44, and these are feet squared. And then the inner circle is in the inside, and it has a radius, or sorry, a diameter of 10. So the diameter of this one is 10. So again, we're going to do pi r squared, so 3.14. And if the diameter is 10, the radius would be 5. So 3.14 times 5 squared is 78.5, and these are feet squared. So the larger circle is 615.44, and the smaller circle is 78.5 feet squared. And then our last one, it says a stained glass window is a semicircle. So what that means is it's half a circle. So we have the stained glass window in that shape. It says, what is the area of the window when its radius is 13 inches? So its radius is halfway across. So just from here to there is 13. So we have to do pi r squared. So 3.14, the radius was 13. So 3.14 times 13 squared is 530.66. Now that is if this was a whole circle. So that would be the area of the entire circle, but a semicircle is half of that. So we want to divide this by 2. And we get 265.33, and that's inches squared.